Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Gaming Cookie. And today, for the first time, I'm going to be playing this game called Hungry Shark World Evolution. And not for the first time, actually, I already started playing it before, but the problem was that I forgot to record it. I'm sorry. So now I'm in the middle of a very high progress, so I don't want to lose it. So I thought, why don't I just continue from the middle? So this game is offline as well as online. Trust me, even if you're online, there are not many features extra than if you are offline, because it's pretty similar. You don't face many differences. Only like once your time is up, you can't use advertisements to gain your health again, which you can use if you have internet. So you will understand what it means as I go on with my video. So how will you install this app? This is like switch on your Wi-Fi for a while. Yeah, look, my Wi-Fi is off. So just go to your Play Store, download an app called Hungry Shark World Evolution, and then that's it. All you have to do is wait for it to load in the start, and then you can easily switch off your Wi-Fi and play it. It's totally offline. Okay, so let's start without further ado. This is like their trademark or something which comes up in the start, and there you go. Like these are the different sharks you get. Oh, that's quick. No, I don't want to bite. So I already had this shark. This is the shark you start with. So you just gonna move around in the river, feed on stuff, and slowly your level increases based on how much score you get. And once your score is level 10 and it is completely level 10, you're able to unlock the next shark like this. And then you have to pay a few coins to unlock it. Like for example, after I get this one, you can see it's at level 8. After I get it at level 10, this hammerhead shark will get unlocked, and I'll have to pay 600 coins to get it, or if I just want to buy it now, I can pay 60 gems. So all of you who are watching this video, trust me, this offer about Jostrum account about Abyss Shark, it's really good. See, you can compare the hammerhead shark with barely anything compared to it is for 60 gems if you buy it instantly, and you go to this shark for 125 gems only, just double of a hammerhead shark with the power of maybe triple, no more than that, way more than that. So this animal is totally worth paying that many gems, but I already wasted all of my gems, so I can't buy it. So let's just go straight ahead. This shark's name is Mako Shark. So actually I'm preparing not only my level, but the next shark, as you can see, I'll have to unlock it for 6,000 coins. So I'm trying to save up my 6,000 coins to unlock the next shark. So now let's just start playing with the Mako Shark. Play this, guys. This video will be a short one, like my normal videos, 15, yeah, maybe 15 minutes. I might close it after 15 minutes. So you just have to move around, eat stuff at this. This is the Mako Shark. In this you can eat only not all of it. Like you can't eat this jellyfish. You go close to it, you just get ouch and you get poisoned. And these the seals, you need to be careful. Once they come up, you should come from their back and eat them, otherwise they attack you first. And there's this recently new update. You see that right now my circle will be there. Yeah, there it's written fish dead 0. Means it's like there are raids. People all across the globe are playing this game, and some of them sign up for the raids, and then you can find other players also over here, but they're not so many, a few, and I have killed maybe 4 of them, 5 of them so far. So my high score, I can't see it. Yeah, I can't see it right now. So let's try to. And these bombs, you got to be careful with them, because if you hit them, you die. And the small ones, it's not. Oh, hammerhead sharks, run! Because I can't kill hammerhead sharks, they'll just kill me within a second. Unless I unlock a hammerhead shark, then I can just go into their nest and kill them. And then I have tiger shark. I mean, I have already played this game before, and I had unlocked till the tiger shark. I had unlocked even the megalodon, but I could not pay the coins. I had to save up 35,000 coins for the megalodon shark, which great white shark, which took a lot of time. So I just got bored of the game and deleted it. But guys, this is offline. Can you just believe it? I'm literally playing it offline with such high graphics. it's literally next to impossible. So if you're looking for a game with high graphics, totally offline, and if you're more of a fan in this dinosaur shark related nonsense, so you can just come here. Yeah, I'm a huge dino fan myself. And about my previous videos, I had uploaded, and there were these two dudes. They were like, you just subscribe our channel, we'll subscribe your channel. I already subscribed their channel, but they haven't subscribed mine yet. I just got one subscriber, and I know exactly who he is. So I hope that you put this. Did I just say hope? No problem. Oh shit! I spit it over my iPad. No, oh, I literally killed him without any more. Okay, careful, careful. There'll be hammerhead sharks. Run, not here. Why am I going here? And you know what's the best part about this? Once you unlock this second shark, from then on you can teleport. Like, I'll show you where you can teleport. I don't have the map yet, so this is the first teleporting station. This circle will just come up. Oh, I have to get food. Oh, it's towards the right, not here. You have to go even more towards the right. Yeah, look at that. That's the a raid. See, I just killed that dude. Crab Lord. Wow, his name was Crab Lord. This is not a raid guy. This is just a random shark. Oh, I just earned something. What is this? Yeah, artifact. That's cool. And there are only 15 around the whole thing, and I got like 2. I don't know what will happen if you get all of them. Will you earn coins or what? So let's see how much can we score. Oh shit. Okay, let's play it again. Like 2 or 3 goes in, that's it. See, I'm at level 8. I'll try to get to hammerhead shark in this video. But guys, can you just hold on for a second for me, because I need to go somewhere, and I won't make it a part 1, part 2 like my last video in which I got a call in the middle, so I had to totally divide the video into 2 parts. That sucks, right? I know. I just have to go somewhere for a second. Yeah, let this load. Okay, now we go for one more trial, maybe 2 or 3 more trials, because maybe by 8:15 I'll have to stop. Oh, that's your different time. For me it's like 8:06 right now, because I don't want to make my videos more bigger, because otherwise the audience will go slowly. They'll just get into watching my videos and they'll be like, hey, this dude's videos are so big, not worth it, totally not worth it. Okay, so, and guys, if my thumbnail for this video might look cool, tell me in the comments below, and make sure to like this video, because this time I'm going to be making my thumbnail a bit better. I mean, last time I just put some stickers all over it, random ones. This time I'll try to make it look a bit more gamer-like. Yeah. Okay, anyway. So, oh, stingray, kill it. Do we have gold rush? Yeah, that's what you call a gold rush. Like, once this little refill yellow stuff gets filled from below, you just saw that, you're able to get gold rush, in which you can just go ahead with full speed without wasting your energy, and then you can eat everything, but it doesn't provide you with health, it just provides you with gold. But the advantage is, in gold rush your health will never deteriorate. It's like a complete, yeah, you're just getting a lot of coins. Oh shit, I don't want to bang into one more. Okay, just stay away from this dude. Oh man, is there a shark there? Yeah, there are sharks. They'll give a lot of food. Yes, and that's the coins. And guys, this game is so huge, I can't explain it all in one video like how I did for Whirly Birds. So don't expect me to make you understand everything, because you can eat almost everything. Even this you can't eat. This and this thing, you go next to it, it'll be like, you just show that, yeah, venom. You can't eat it, it'll just cut your health. When you're shark, hey, there's one more raid dude. Yeah, I just killed Dark Link. I'm killing so many guys. What am I even earning from this? Okay, hammerhead sharks. Oh shit. Stay away, they'll be, oh wow, I just killed that dude who was a megalodon. He was a megalodon. What do you think? No, I think he was great white shark. Maybe, but I don't know. Yeah, no, he must be a mako shark, because I can't kill a great white so early, because there are like 3 more sharks to go in order to earn that level. Hey, I just killed these two. Hey, what did I get? That little toy. It looks pathetic, just like its mama. Okay, why am I blue? What am I engaging lightning or what? Oh, there's one more. He just came for me and I just killed him. It's going to be a bomb nearby. Oh, knew it. Be careful with this one. Yeah, one more raid. Dark Link, I killed him again. I just killed this dude like twice. No, thrice. Even in my first arc, I was able to kill him. This is going so well. And guys, I just need you all to hold on for a second, because I need to just run away. This guy might shoot something. Just stay here safely. I need to join somewhere. And then I switch on my speaker, put low volume, mute the volume, switch off the thing. Okay, so I think guys, I'll have to end the video here. This game is totally epic. You must go and check this out. I know this video was a very small one, but this is like a teaser trailer for this game. And trust me guys, you want proof that I'm totally offline? I can show you like my... Oh, that guy won't hurt me anymore. Yes, because he's gold, right? I'll be able to easily deflect him. That doesn't make sense, right? Because that doesn't make sense. Just kill this bugger. Oh, I'm so good at saying bad words. I never have been able to kill these dudes. Oh shit. Okay guys, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and put a nice comment below. And hopefully in my next video I get to level 10. Okay, bye. Hopefully I make the next video. Am I recording? Yes. Okay, bye.